Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Techademy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to your stories on Snapchat. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapchat application, and if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your credentials to log into your account. Now after you are logged in, you will be taken to your home page from which you can directly start posting your pictures using your camera. But if you want to add music to your post, then you will find the music icon at the top right section. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be able to search for various music. You can use the search box, or you can also search through the featured and the trending tabs. After finding the music that you are interested in, you can go ahead and tap on it, and you can tap on the play button to preview the section of the song. You can also slide the position of the song to the left or right to adjust the song in your story. Once you are done with the song, you can continue with making your post or shooting your video with the background as this music. Then you can save this or add it to your story and also directly send it to your Snapchat friends. And there you have it. That is how you can easily add music to your stories and posts on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.